Pleasant good day, everyone. Welcome to my virtual class. My name is Mom J, and I'll be teaching a new topic for today. So let's get ready and we will start now. Subtracting similar rational algebraic expressions. So, alam naman natin pag sinabing similar, mayroong magkaparehas na denominator. So, pag nag-subtract tayo ng similar RAE, same method lang yung gagawin natin, kagaya nung sa addition. Yun nga lang, meron lang tayong gagawin ng koonti. So, bago yan, balikan muna ulit natin yung fractions. So, let's subtract the following fractions. Reduce to lowest term. So, let's have number 1. 5 over 3 minus 2/3. So, kung napapansin nyo, magkaparehas tayo ng denominator. Kaya, wala tayong ibang gagawin, kundi mag-minus or mag-subtract ng numerator. So, i-minus natin si 5 kay 2. So, 5 minus 2, we have 3. And then, copy the denominator, which is 3. So, si 3 over 3, pwede natin siyang i-simplify. So, pag dinivide natin si 3 kay 3, we will get 1. So, ang sagot natin ay pwedeng 1. Let's have number 2, 4/5 minus 2/5. So, ganun pa rin. Mag-subtract lang tayo ng numerator, then copy the denominator. So, 4 minus 2 is equals to 2 over 5 kasi 5 yung ating denominator. So, si 2 over 5, naka-lowest term na yan, kaya hindi na natin kailangang i-simplify. Let's have number 3. 7 over 40 minus 3 over 40. So, ang ating denominator ay 40. Medyo malaki-laki na. So, mag-minus tayo ng numerator. So, 7 minus 3, we have 4. Then, copy the denominator, which is 40. So, over 40. So, si 4 over 40, pwede pa natin siyang i-lowest term. So, ang gagawin natin, ifa-factor natin si 4 over 40. So, ang factor ng 4 ay 2 times 2. At si 40 naman ay 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. And then, after nyan, mag-cancel tayo. So, yung matitira, yun yung sagot. So, ang numerator, na-cancel lahat. So, we have 1. And the denominator, merong natirang 2 times 5. So, we have 10. So, ang lowest term ng 4 over 40 ay 1 over 10. So, kaya ako pinakita sa inyo yan, yung factoring, para pwede natin siyang magamit pag nag-simplify tayo ng RAE. So, steps in subtracting similar rational algebraic expressions. So, step 1, change the sign of the subtrahend and rewrite the given expression of the numerators as 1 over the common denominator. So, di ba pag nag-add ng RAE, pinagsasama natin lahat ng numerators as 1. And then, over common denominator. So, sa subtraction of RAE, kailangan muna nating palitan yung sign ni subtrahend. Oo, kailangan natin gawin yon kasi nga, nasa rules yun ng integers. So, step number 2, add the given expression in the numerator by combining like terms. Write your answer in the numerator over the common denominator. So, kapag napagsama-sama na natin lahat sa isang hilera or nasa numerators na lahat, pagsasamahin naman natin ngayon yung mga magkakaparehas na terms. Siyempre, over the common denominator. And step 3, simplify your answer if needed. So, kailangan natin mag-simplify pag kailangan lang. Kailangan lang. Example number 1. X minus 4y over 12xy squared minus x plus 5y over 12xy squared. So, solution. Change the sign of the subtrahend and rewrite the given expression of the numerators as 1 over the common denominators. So, yung subtrahend natin, yun yung nasa kanan. Kaya, si x plus 5y, kailangan natin palitan ng sign. So, si x magiging negative at si 5y magiging negative. And then, after nun, i-rewrite natin siya lahat as a numerator. So, x minus 4y. So, minus x minus 5y. So, over 12xy squared. Kasi common yung ating denominator. So step 2, add the given expressions in the numerator by combining like terms. Write your answer in the numerator over the common denominator. So equals, so ang common natin dyan ay x tsaka x. So x minus x is 0. Kaya hindi na natin ilalagay. And then another pair, negative 4y tsaka negative 5y. So negative 4y minus 5y is equals to negative 9y. Then copy natin yung denominator, which is 12xy squared. So, simplify your answer if needed. So, pwede nating i-factor yung ating numerator tsaka denominator. And then, meron tayong makakancel dyan. So, magiging ganito na siya. So, negative 3 times y. So, factor ni negative 9y. And then, 4 times 3 times x times y. Yung factor naman ni 12xy squared. And then, i-cancel natin yung common factor nila. So, yung matitira, yun yung magiging sagot natin. So, ang numerator may natirang negative 3 at ang denominator may natirang 4xy. So, ang final answer natin ay negative 3 over 4xy. Number 2, 5 over 5n squared plus 30n minus n minus 5 over 5n squared plus 30n. So, solution. So, change the sign of the subtrahend and rewrite the given expression of the numerators as 1 over the common denominator. So, dito tayo sa kanan. Palitan natin yung sign ng ating numerator. So, si n magiging negative at si negative 5 magiging positive. So, sulat na natin siya sa isang hilera. So, 5 minus n plus 5 over 5n squared plus 30n. So, yun yung ating denominator. Next, add the given expressions in the numerator by combining like terms. So, write your answer in the numerator over the common denominator. So, yung n, wala naman siyang same na, na term, kaya isulat na natin siya. So, negative n. And then, C5, tsaka C5, like terms, like signs, so add. So, 5 plus 5, we have 10. And then, copy the denominator. 5n squared plus 30n. Next, step 3. Simplify your answer if needed. So, si numerator, dahil naka-negative yung ating first term, ilalabas natin yan. So, magiging ganito na siya. So, negative times quantity n minus 10. And then, si 5n squared plus 30n, pwede natin siyang i-factor. So, ito na siya. So, 5n times quantity n plus 6. Since wala naman tayong makakancel, so, yun na yung ating sagot. Let's sum number 3. N minus 3 over n squared plus 8n plus 15 minus 3n over n squared plus 8n plus 15. So, solution. So, change the sign of the subtrahend and rewrite the given expressions of the numerators as 1 over the common denominators. So, yung 3n magiging negative. At isulat na natin siya. So, n minus 3 minus 3n over n squared plus 8n plus 15. Step 2, add the given expression in the numerator by combining like terms and write your answer in the numerator over the common denominator. So, ang mga pares nating term ay n tsaka negative 3n. So, unlike sign, kaya minus. So, n minus 3n is negative 2n. Si negative 3, dahil wala naman siyang kaparehas, so isulat na lang natin siya. And then, copy the denominator. So, we have n squared plus 8n plus 15. Simplify your answer if needed. So, si negative 2n minus 3, dahil negative yung ating first term, so ilabas natin si negative side. So, magiging ganito na siya. Negative times quantity 2n plus 3. Si n squared plus 8n plus 15, meron pa siyang factor, kaya i-factor natin siya. So, we have quantity n plus 5 times quantity n plus 3. So, wala naman tayong makakancel dyan. So, yan na yung ating sagot. Number 4, 5x minus 6 over 4x plus 12 minus 5x plus 4 over 4x plus 12. So, solution. So, change the sign of the subtrahend and rewrite the given expression of the numerators as 1 over the common denominators. So, palitan natin ng sign si 5x at saka si 4. And then, isulat na natin siya lahat. So we have 5x minus 6 minus 5x minus 4 over 4x plus 12. And then add the given expression in the numerator by combining like terms and write your answer in the numerator over the common denominator. So equals, so we have common terms which is 5x and negative 5x, but 5x minus 5x is 0 since unlike sign. And then negative 6 and negative 4, like terms, like sign, so add. So negative 6 minus 4 is negative 10. Then copy the denominator, 4x plus 12. So simplify your answer if needed. So si negative 10, di na siya pwedeng i-factor. Pero si 4x plus 12, pwede pa. So 4 times quantity x plus 3. So ang ating given or ang ating sagot, wala nang makakancel. So final na siya. And number 5, we have p minus 6 over p squared minus p minus 12 minus negative 2p plus 6 over p squared minus p minus 12. So solution. So change the sign of the subtrahend and rewrite the given expressions of the numerators as 1 over the common denominator. So magiging positive na si 2p at negative si 6. So p minus 6 plus 2p minus 6 over p squared minus p minus 12. Add the given expression in the numerator by combining like terms. So write your answer in the numerator over the common denominator. So equals. So ang common natin dyan ay p at 2p. So like sign, kaya add. So p plus 2p, we have 3p. And then negative 6 and negative 6, like sign, add ulit. So negative 6 minus 6 is negative 12. Then copy the denominator. So we have p squared minus p minus 12. And step 3, simplify your answer if needed. So si 3p minus 12, pwede pa natin siyang i-factor. So magiging 3 times quantity p minus 4. At si p squared minus p minus 12, pwede rin natin siyang i-factor. Kaya ang sagot ay quantity p minus 4 times quantity p plus 3. So kung napapansin nyo, meron tayong makakancel sa kanila. Yung p minus 4 kasi common sila parehas. So yung matitira ay 3 tsaka p plus 3. So ang final answer natin ay 3 over p plus 3. Ayan, sana naintindihan nyo. So kayo naman. So find the difference of the given rational algebraic expressions. So, lagi nyo lang tatandaan na kapag nag-subtract tayo ng similar RAE, wala kayong ibang gagawin, kundi palitan muna yung sign ng subtrahend, yung nasa kanan natin, yung numerator ng nasa kanan, kailangan palitan ng sign, and then, proceed na tayo sa addition. So, tapos, kapag kailangan i-simplify, i-simplify.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time!